Hey, what's up, and welcome back. Yeah, the camera overheated last night, so I made sure I definitely am recording on a lower quality right now to help with the cooling. And yeah, hopefully we can open the rest of these packs without any overheating this time. Anyways, last 5 packs, I think. Last 5 of the 5 booster bundles. So we start off with a Weedle, a Zubat, Goldeen, Weepinbell, Cycling Road, Scyther, Charmeleon, looking for that Charizard, a Vileplume, a Gyarados, and a Daisy's Help in alternate art form, or illustration rare. Nice. We needed that. That's pretty dope. Okay, maybe this will be a hit. A full of hits. Okay, so booster pack number 2, fam. Let's hurry through this so we don't overheat, huh? Because apparently, Sony or cameras in general, like the high-end ones, tend to overheat for some reason. Don't know why. Alright, here's a Poliwhirl. Here's a Kakuna. Poliwag. Ponyta. Hitmonchan. Seaking. Butterfree. Fearow. Almanite, Praise Lord Helix. Oh, and a Zapdos EX with multi-shot lightning. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. 1 out of 3 legendary birds, yo. Yeah, we got hits so far. But will we get the hits? We can almost certainly hope so. Anyways, we got Bulbasaur, favorite starter. Slowpoke. Growlithe. Geodude. Energy Sticker. Rhydon. Executor. Oddish. Articuno. Ooh, and a Weezing. And a Psychic Energy. Alright, cool. Last 2 packs, fam. What do we get? What do we get? Alright, here's a Pikachu, Farfetch'd, Old Amber, Pidgeotto, Lapras, Cycling Road, Scyther, Mr. Mime, Ekans, and a Kabutops. And a shiny Steel Energy. Cool. Alright, last pack. Before... Yeah, this is just the last pack thing. Let's see what we get, shall we? Alright, here we go. It's Jigglypuff. Staryu. Charmander, Spearow, Rigid Band, Graveler, Protective Goggles, Amistar, Starmie, and a Nidoking, and a Steel Energy. Well, that about does it for this 151 unwrapping. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you some other time. Bye!